Hello YouTube people, Sam here from New Zealand, just doing a beginner paintbrush tutorial for all yous out there. So for this tutorial I'm using a round number 10 brush. It's just probably out of all the brushes the most versatile, and most people have one, so it's a good one to use for demonstration purposes. So the way I hold my brush is just like a pencil. I hold it closer to the top. Some people say you should hold it closer to the other end, because then you have more control, but I find when it's closer to the top I have more control. Or as I just said before, people when they do big blocks of colour, they do overheat for the bigger brushes. So I've loaded this round brush up with quite a lot of paint. So that's just what it looks like when you've got a thick line with a lot of paint. And then I've cleaned it off and I'm just putting a little bit of paint on a brush that's dry. And then just lightly dragging that along here. So it's a few different techniques you can muck around with to get different textures. That dry technique is good for when you're trying to do wood, and you can do a few different colours over it and it changes the colour. So now I've just added some water to my brush, which makes it more of a watercolour kind of look, which is good when you're trying to spread around lots of big blocks of colour, or just when you're trying to make it a bit see-through. So the one I'm doing now is same a bit of water, but just not as much paint, so there's less paint on the brush. Where that first water one was a lot of paint. So the round brush are quite good. You can do lots of little bits with it, even though it's a big brush, it's got a pointy tip. So you can do lots of little bits with it. So here I'm just kind of doing, it's quite a dry brush, just a bit of paint, and I'm just slowly spreading it a bit just to get that kind of leafy feel. And obviously you could do it one colour and then go over with another colour, and then it just gives it a bit more vibrancy and a bit more depth as well. Really when you grab a brush and you're just learning, you just want to get a bit of paper and just dip in some paint, try some different textures, and then just see what happens really, just get a feel for the paint of the brush. So these round brushes are really great for doing leaves. Here I'm just doing a little mini leaf thing. So I load half my brush up with the blue, half with the yellow, which turns into green. It's got blue on it. And then you slightly do a little line and you press down harder and you get that little leaf pattern. So a little line, press down hard, leaf. And you just repeat that as much time as you want, or as little as you want. And this is a really easy, fun thing to do as well, and it looks quite good. You can muck around with different colours for them as well, just do whatever colour you want. Just because leaves are usually green doesn't mean your leaves need to be green. Now we're just going to do a close up, so I've just got some yellow with lots of paint going over that blue, and you can see it mixes into a bit of green. And then my second one, I'll just be loading a little bit of paint on a dry brush and just going over that blue. And you can see how it just slightly changes colour. And as I said before, this is a good technique for doing wood, say on wooden boats and stuff like that. And then so we've got some watery yellow on top of the watery blue. And you can see with the paint where it's loaded up quite a lot, you can see the brush marks, but the water you can't really see them as much, they blend in a bit easier. That's a little paint here. And there you have it. So it's just a few different things you can try as a beginner. If you like my video, hit like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you all again soon. Thank you. Bye.